So I just wanted to show you guys some of these waterfalls that are broken. Can you see this shit? I'm not being funny. I'm good at waterfalling in Civ 1. Maybe that's how I'm good at this game. But good at waterfalling in here, but brother. I mean, I don't know what my playtime is at the moment. Will it tell me? See, something like, yeah, just under 5 hours. And yeah, I think my takeaway is, me and Ownage have been talking about it. Overhead is so broken, especially the XL. Like, you just have to look inside people. The overhead is broken. Stab feels incredibly weak. Stab just seems to be there to morph into another attack. Mainly for me, LMB. Combo stab feint's okay. LMB, I've seen some people backswing me a couple times today. But let me see if I can just do it again against Thumper. Yeah. You see how easy that is to hit? It's the trace is too far at the bottom. Like, I don't even need to know where my sword is. I just know from the timing when to just bring it back right a little bit, or left. One more time. Okay, but as soon as he starts parrying, I'm just gonna... No, I see setting it. Let's try ulting it. And then boom, ulting it. But anyway, I just thought I'd show you guys that.